everyone, welcome to today's Grab and Go Kit tutorial. My name is Tasha and I'm a Library Associate with Halton Hills Public Library. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own Popsicle Stick Catapult. The supplies you will need for this are very attainable and very basic. So you will need 9 popsicle sticks. You will need 4 rubber bands. 1 styrofoam ball about yay big, but really any ball you have around the home, like a bouncy ball or a Nerf gun ball, will work with this craft. So don't feel like you have to rush out and buy these. And then you will need a plastic spoon, which I have already attached to my catapult. So I will show you how to do that. So if you'd like to learn how to make this popsicle stick catapult for yourself, then keep watching. Okay, so first of all, you're going to take your 9 popsicle sticks and then you're going to count out 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you're going to stack them in a pile, which can be a little tricky because they tend to move around a lot. There we go, like so. Then you're going to take one of your rubber bands and you're going to loop it around one of the ends of this pile. Oops. So just like that. Should be good. Notice how they're nice and even. And then you're going to want to take another rubber band and loop it around the other end as well. There, just like that. So now you have 7 popsicle sticks firmly tied together with your rubber bands. So we're going to lay that aside for now. Then you're going to take your other 2 popsicle sticks and you're going to do the same thing, but this time with only one end. So take your rubber band and just loop it around the one end of the popsicle stick. Okay, so once that's done, that's tied, and see how this almost makes like a pair of tweezers because you can pull them apart like that? Okay, next you're going to take your plastic spoon, and this, you can do this like after you do the next step, but I think this is just easier to do it this way. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your 4th and final rubber band, then you're going to see how it's lined up with where the elastics are already tied off on that end. You're going to line up the end of the spoon with that, and you're going to secure your spoon to your 2 popsicle sticks until they are securely tied together like so, just like that. Okay, this will be the launching bit of your catapult. So then it's really easy. All you have to do next is pry apart your 2 popsicle sticks and wedge your stack of 7 popsicle sticks in between your 2 popsicle sticks like that, see? And with the spoon on top. And there you have it. Your catapult is made. So now all you have to do is load it and launch it. Perfect. And there you have it. You have made your very own popsicle stick catapult. And now that we've done that, we're going to test it out. Okay, ready? Okay, make sure you hold the end so that it doesn't get away from you. Push down on the spoon very carefully and let it go. Woo. Okay, so I'm gonna go pick that up. I hope you guys have fun with this. It should keep you entertained for a little bit, and you can make as many as you want and then make them colorful, put designs on them, do whatever you guys would like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye.